How to delete account on FastJobs SG. If you want to delete your FastJobs SG account, what you do is launch the FastJobs app, and this is the interface that you'll be able to see. Once you're here, tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Then tap on the gear icon or the settings icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you've done that, you can simply look for the option that says Request Account Deletion, and then just tap on it. Once you tap on Request Account Deletion, you can simply enter why you want to delete your account over here. Then once you went ahead and then enter the reason, you can tap the next option and you'll be able to go ahead and then basically request a permanent deletion of your account. This way you can go ahead and then basically delete your account. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.